Go, baby. We got you, babe. Back to the beach.
have our 4K winner this morning at the 39th annual Roseville and Eastpointe Big Bird Run. What's your name?
My name's Timmy Martin.
And you had an amazing race. You were several minutes and several blocks ahead of all the competition. Tell us about your race.
Yeah, it went a lot better than I expected. I was expecting rain this morning. It was pretty cool weather, but I was pretty happy with how it went. The first mile was really good. Second mile was a bit slower than I would have liked, but I finished pretty strong. I was pretty happy with the performance.
Yeah, you were strong. Where are you from?
I'm from St. Clair Shores, Michigan.
Okay. What grade? Year?
I'm actually I'm a junior in college right now.
Okay.
Actually.
Okay. What college?
I go to U of M, Ann Arbor.
Okay, that's what the Block M is all about.
Yes, exactly. I run for the club team, actually. Not quite quick enough to be on the varsity team, unfortunately.
Well, it looks to me like you're headed that direction, though. You had a great race today.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No, I got I think I won.
I was looking for you. Yes, you did.
I don't see anybody around me. Not bad for an old guy, huh? Now, where's my doctor? Is there a doctor here?
Hello. We are at the 39th annual Roseville and Eastpointe Big Bird Run, and with us is somebody representing a brand new sponsor, the Motor City Co-op Credit Union. Is that right?
That's right.
What's your name?
My name's Gail Hernelstein, and I'm Vice President of Marketing for Motor City, and we are happy to be here. Roseville has been so great with us, and we have our new building that we opened in July this past summer, and we have been involved in the community, and we're really having a great time with Tony and his team.
Well, it looks like you're getting ready to serve some Gatorade to
We're the finish line, and so we're going to be the water and finish line, and I hope they say there's like 500 runners, so that should be fun, and we're happy it's not raining right now.
So, Gail, I understand that your new building has won an award.
Yes, we did. We just recently win the Capital Improvement Award for the Chamber, Eastpointe and Roseville Chamber, and we're really pleased to do that. It was kind of a little eyesore on Gratiot, and we saw its potential, and we completely redid it. So we have a little nod to the automotive industry, where we're coming from Motor City, and of course Roseville's love for automobiles and their cruises. So we have actually it's all automotive themed, and we have a car in our building actually.
Wow. So from an eyesore to a car.
Yes.
People are going to notice that.
Yes, it's really interesting inside, and a lot of gears, a lot of old photos of Roseville and of the automotive industry.